what you got there, Hutch.
A chicken. Oh,
What's the chicken doing, Hutch?
it's bouncing.
It is bouncing. Are you taking the chicken for a walk?
I'm taking the chicken for a walk. Oh, it's running.
It is running. Can you take it back to where your toys are?
It's running.
It is. Is it running or is it following you? Watch your head.
It's following you. It's jumping.
It is jumping.
It fell down.
Did it? Look, it's right side up again, huh?
Oh, it's bouncing.
It's bouncing.
Oh, it's bouncing.
I think if you just walk and hold on to the string, he'll follow you. Keep walking.
It's jumped. Chicken. Oh. Look what the taste got. Look what the taste got. Look what the taste.
Hey, Jack, you eating some delicious sweet potatoes? Oh, yeah, look at you going for that.
Good sweet potato. Much better than the green beans.
What is it with our boys and green beans?
He was not having the green beans at all.
Is that a Hooters bib?
It is.
Oh, that's charming. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. You getting delicious food?
I think it's chicken about.
Are you teaching the chicken how to walk, or are you taking it for? Whoa, it's running. Can you bring it back this way fast? Oh, running.
Oh, it's here.
Try making some oatmeal to go
Sure.
after this.
Sounds good. Let me see what Hutchman's
Or
doing.
else just maybe a jar of applesauce or pears.
You bringing it with you this way?
Oh, it jumped.
It did jump. Hutch, can you say hi to the camera?
Hi,
Can you say hi to all your family and your fans? Can you say hi to the Hutch channel?